The Syracuse University School of Education connects learning to practice through real-life experiences.
The clinical simulations are largely about practice. A simulation is a one-to-one interaction between a learner and a carefully scripted actor. We script them on verbal triggers, the things that we want them to actually say and do. And the purpose is they get to practice in that one-to-one interaction and then later review their own tape, gather with colleagues who also engaged in the same simulation, and carefully deconstruct the tape in terms of decisions, skills, approaches, any policy implications.
In the simulations, we wear these heart monitors on our arm, and they basically take data and track how our anxieties and how our heart rate is during these simulated interactions. And then I can also see how I'm handling the stress. It helps me a lot with processing my emotions during the meetings.
The experiential learning is one thing that definitely is special about the School of Education. It feels very genuine in that there's a bunch of real topics that we cover, things that as teachers we will without a doubt have to face. Those situations help us to find real-world success.
Our goal here is amplifying the student voice and amplifying the student talents. And we're trying to do that through experiential learning, through fully inclusive pedagogy and practice. We give them multiple opportunities to look at data about that practice. This approach, it really lends a different element to professional preparation.
The Higher Education Practicum program consists of experiences that students have working in different functional areas. It's all designed to complement their learning in the classroom and give them a hands-on practical experience.
SU's higher education program really does connect learning through practice through our practicums. It really opened my eyes that, this is an area I could see myself going into. And I wouldn't have gotten that if I didn't have the practicums.
One of the biggest things I think is really important with the School of Ed is how they highlight diverse scholars in the curriculum. We're not just learning from people who may be the most well-known, but we are learning from everyone, which I really appreciated.
So being Oneida, being Native American, I feel that Syracuse University genuinely wants us to feel seen and heard on campus. They can uplift our voices while also supporting us.
We're unique in that we encourage a breadth of experience across different areas, and we push students to go outside of their comfort zone to try things that maybe they wouldn't try.
They wanted to put us in something that we didn't have experience in before. You might think that you have hesitations or reservations about wanting to do this, but go try it first. I've had the opportunity to be engaged in research, attend conferences, present at conferences, and just really get a wide variety of experience that has helped me to be where I am in my career today.
Graduate students come to the higher education program often having rich experiences as undergraduates in a variety of ways. Our practicum program allows them to build on those experiences and grow in their professionalism that serves as a springboard into their future careers.